this is Sarah from LAC. I have some hummingbirds that come to my home and they're looking for food. So I'm going to go ahead and make some nectar for them so they can eat. Okay, so it takes 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar. With this feeder here that I have, it takes 2 cups of water. So I'm going to mix 2 cups of water and 1/2 cup of sugar. And then I am going to stir it well. I'm going to stir it until the sugar dissolves, and then I'm going to put it in the hummingbird feeder. And then the hummingbirds will have some food to eat. Okay, I'm going to pour it in here. And, oh, well, it's just a little bit over. And then I'm going to put the cap on. I'm going to shake it up a little bit more to make sure the water, not the water, I'm so sorry, the sugar dissolves. And there we go. We have nectar for the hummingbirds. I want to thank you all for watching. Be safe, wear a mask, stay 6 feet apart, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. There he is. One of our hummingbirds feeding. Beautiful. There's another one.